Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 fuel pump. Before starting, safety is paramount. Always make sure your fuel tank is nearly empty, ideally less than 1/4 full, to minimize spills. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Also, open your fuel filler cap to release any pressure in the fuel system. Have your tools ready, including screwdrivers, pliers, and a specialized fuel pump locking ring tool. Now let's get to the fuel pump itself. First, you'll need to remove the rear seat bench. Simply pull up firmly on the front edge of the seat, usually near the 1/4 and 3/4 points, to release its clips. On the passenger side, you'll find an access panel, typically held in place by 3 Phillips head screws. Remove these screws and lift the panel. Before proceeding, it's crucial to thoroughly clean any dirt or debris from around the fuel pump lid to prevent contamination of your fuel tank. With the area clean, it's time to disconnect. Carefully unclip the 2 electrical connectors from the top of the fuel pump assembly. Next, release and detach both the fuel supply and return lines. Be prepared for a small amount of fuel spillage. Now, you'll see a large locking ring holding the pump in place. Use a specialized fuel pump removal tool or a brass punch and hammer to carefully tap the ring counterclockwise until it's loose. Once the ring is off, gently lift the entire fuel pump assembly straight out of the tank. For reassembly, first inspect the tank for any debris and always replace the old fuel pump seal with a new one to ensure a proper seal. Carefully lower the new fuel pump assembly into the tank, making sure it's correctly oriented and seated. Hand tighten the locking ring clockwise, then use your specialized tool or brass punch to fully tighten it, ideally to the manufacturer's specified torque. Finally, reconnect all fuel lines and electrical connectors, then reinstall the access panel and the rear seat bench. Double-check all connections before starting the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.